Hi guys, today I am going to share you my new simple strategy that will help you earn $693 on binary option trading. Don't miss my new working trading strategy. Subscribe to this channel to keep to date with all the updates. So don't miss the chance to improve your financial result. Check out my Telegram channel to get free trading signals and get answers to your questions directly from me. Let us start working together on your success. Subscribe now and start moving towards your goals in the trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from the trading. I use the strategies to make money trading with the minimum risk. You can use my strategies that I saw and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before the operation. I know you are eager to get down to business. Follow me closely and click like to start the journey to success. The most exciting part of my video is my new strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. My strategy consists of two key indicators, parabolic SAR and demaker. With the help of these indicators, I determine in which direction our chart will go. Everything is very simple. If the general direction of the chart is going down, then this is our signal to go down. Just the opposite. And now the settings, I will leave everything to the basic settings. I leave the standard settings for the indicator, and now turn out the candle, set the interval to 1 minute. The transaction time is 30 seconds and you can start. I start with the amount of $50. Is it from this amount that we will go out as $693. So we open the commodity composite index and open our first deal for an increase in the amount of $50. Here we observe the intersection of the lines in the parabolic SAR indicator towards the rise. We see how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and the balance is $96 guys. Looking for a path to financial success? Join our team trading and receive daily signals for the successful trading. Increase your earnings with us. The link is available in the description. For the second deal, we put the amount of $96, analyze the situation and make a deal for an increase. Here the indicator also shows us the rise by crossing the lines. I am so happy with my choice because All-in Trade is an honest broker that I have never encountered problems with the all. So all conclusions are transparent and fast. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start earning on the platform. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. Our second transaction is end in a plus and our balance is already $186 guys. Now we are raising our transaction amount by $186. And now we are looking for the next situation that's suitable for us, and this time we open a downgrade deal. In this case, the indicator shows the decline of the chart and the general movement is going down. This is our signal to lower the index. So the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance is now $350 guys. The last deal for a raise. In this case, the indicator shows a general upward movement. So the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance is finally $693. So our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $693 from just $50. So all our deals were confidently successfully closed. We saw the success of this strategy that I saw you. Good luck and good profits to everyone. Are you ready to increase your income through the trading? Join my Telegram channel with the referral link in the description, so you will get a bonus on your all-in trade. And if you really like this video, just hit and like, subscribe the button of the YouTube channel, and see you soon again. Bye my crypto future millionaires.